Do your hair clips turn out uneven or do you struggle to attach the flowers neatly? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll help you how to crochet these beautiful hair clips with step-by-step tutorial. So let's get started. So take a bangle and a 3.5mm hook. Take your yarn and insert it inside the bangle and tie a knot to secure the thread with the bangle. Take your hook, insert inside the bangle, pull up a loop and chain one. Make a single crochet. So insert the hook inside the bangle, pull up a loop. You have two loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through both two loops. So this is called a single crochet, and we are going to make 72 single crochet inside the bangle just to cover the bangle completely. It depends on the size of your bangle. If your bangle is little smaller than mine, so you won't be crocheting 72 single crochet. It depends on the size, as I said earlier. So just make it according to the size of your bangle. Just make single crochets all around to cover the bangle completely. And here's I've completed this round. So we are going to make the slip stitch inside the first single crochet. So pull up a loop and pull through the first loop. So this is how a slip stitch works, and chain one and cut off the excess yarn. Now we are going to make the petals of the sunflower crochet clip. So grab your yellow yarn, insert the hook inside these V shapes, put it any stitch you like and pull up a loop. Then chain two. Now we will be making a double crochet inside the same stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop and yarn over, pull through two loops, again pull through two loops. So this is how a double crochet works. Now we are going to make a treble crochet in the next stitch. So insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two loops, again yarn over, pull through two loops, and lastly yarn over, pull through two loops. Now make two chains and we'll be making a peacock stitch. So insert the hook inside these two loops just under the first chain we made, and then pull through and make a slip stitch. Now make another treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two loops, again yarn over, pull through two loops, and yarn over, pull through two loops. Now yarn over and make a double crochet in the next chain. Then two chains and slip stitch into the same stitch. So this is how our first petal is looking like. We are going to repeat the same pattern to complete all the petals till the end. Now make slip stitch into next two chains just to make a little space between the petals. And now make a slip stitch to start another petal. Chain two and make a double crochet inside the same stitch. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two loops, and yarn over, pull through two loops. To make a treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two loops, yarn over, pull through two loops, and again yarn over, pull through two loops. Chain two and make a peacock stitch. Then make another treble crochet inside the same stitch. Then a double crochet into the next stitch. Chain two and slip stitch into the same stitch. So this is how we are going to repeat this pattern to make all the petals, and I'll meet you at the end. So here's the final look. We have completed all the petals. Now we are going to make a slip stitch into the first petal and then chain one, cut off the excess yarn. Now we are going to make a flower to put it on the stick. So make a slip knot, chain 3 and make a double crochet into the first chain. So pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again make a double crochet inside the same stitch, chain 2 and slip stitch into the same stitch. And here's the first petal, and we are going to repeat this pattern to make the rest of 4 petals. So chain 2 and make 2 double crochets inside the same stitch, then chain 2 and make a slip stitch into the same stitch. So basically we'll be working in the first chain we made at the start. It works just like the magic circle. So we are going to complete all 5 petals and I'll meet you when I'm done. So here's a complete flower. So cut off the excess yarn and sew in the ends. Now we are going to wrap the yarn over the stick. Wrap it tightly so it won't open. Apply the glue to secure the ends and attach the flower on the top. So here's the final look of our crochet hair clip. I hope you like this tutorial. Please make sure to share it with your friends, and if you have any query, please make sure to leave a comment and subscribe for more such videos. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.